I just started the TikTok Shop affiliate program 4 months ago. Let's see how it went. So month number 1, I made $13. Hey, I'm not rich, but it works. Proof of concept. Month number 2, $169. Hey, that's an improvement. It's a slow roll. Month number 3, this is where it starts to get interesting. $1,500. Now, right off the bat, a small chunk of that was actually made from live streaming. They were doing these really nice commission bonuses, and I was promoting collagen peptides by Micro Ingredients at that time, who was blowing up since then. So in the live streams, I was making like 50 bucks an hour, but I was only live streaming once or twice a week for like 90 minutes at a time. In month number 4, $1,700. Most of that is just from regular videos that I posted because I didn't really have time to do any live streams. So what is the keys here? What are the real takeaways? 1, if you don't start, you're not going to be able to make money. Number 2, you have to be creative with your process. So there's a lot of videos that I floated that are only 200 to 300 views. They're not producing anything, but the more videos you make of different items along with the same item, the better your chances are at making money. So don't just make one video, expect it to go viral and make bank. So you get this product in, I always do kind of like an ASMR unboxing. So that's video 1. Then I do a second talking head video. I'm like, hey, check this out. And then sometimes I'll just do a bunch of B-roll shots, put them together, and I'll do a voiceover. That's 3 videos for a single product right there. That is how you increase your chances 3 times or even more. And if a product starts to sell and makes money, it means that I could potentially make more money with that product. So you want to double or triple down on those products that are producing to increase your chances of making more money. Okay, so don't expect to knock it out of the park with 5 or 10 products right off of the bat and to go viral and make $10,000 a month. It's going to be a slow roll. Unless you've been content creating for a while, then you'll have a little bit of an edge up. But there's going to be a learning curve for everybody. So start and you'll start to make money. But if you don't, you won't. Now, of course, independent results may vary, but if anybody has additional questions, you can drop those down below.